breaking into the top 5 is Adam Lambert. Oh my God! I hate you, Nick, for this. You know, kung gusto ka hindi Bianca, why not me? Ha? Wala akong loan. Wala pa ako nun. Hindi pa kaya ako nun. Wala. Kasi nagbulag, gano'n ako bumalik. I was here, okay? I don't think I'm good enough. But we have one thing in common. Adam Lambert is a fan of Lea Salonga. Oh my God, can you believe that, guys? Okay, according to the kwento that I heard a while ago, parang meron akong nasabi ngayon. Sabi lang ni Adam Lambert, he saw Miss Saigon, and he liked Lea Salonga. Dun niya na-discover si Lea Salonga. And ever since then, he's been a fan, and he actually bumped into Lea Salonga sa LAX. Ano nangyari sa akin yun? Bumped into her. He bumped into Lea Salonga in LAX, and they spoke. Can you imagine that? Love it. Okay, anyway, here's for your entertainment. It's very controversial. Is this a video, or is this the live version? It's a video. I guess it's not controversial. Here's for your entertainment by Adam Lambert. And it's time for you guys one of our best sabi ni Wella. Happy New Year, Idol. Ask ko lang how you spent your holidays. I'm happy you're doing great. May you have more blessings this year. Wella from CEO. Again, de Oro. Well, Wella. We spent it in New York. Ang saya-saya. It's my first time actually na magpunta ng New York, and it was very cold because it was winter. So umabot sa -18 yung temperature. As in, okay. As in, you try to put on, you remove your gloves for a while to fix it, kasi hindi mo na mararamdaman yung hand mo. And on the coldest of days, that was when we decided to go to the Statue of Liberty. Gusto mo kami ng boat in the middle of the water. It was very cold. It was a very happy experience. But, super fun. We went to Statue of Liberty, we went to the Empire State Building, but of course, for most of the time, we spent it walking and waiting dahil lahat ata ng pulis sa buong mundo and nandun sa New York. I got to see Broadway plays, I got to see State plays, I got to see Phantom. Sobrang saya, ang lamig. Nakatulog ako. Nakatulog kaming lahat sa Phantom. Okay, fell asleep, so Phantom failed. But the music was fabulous, but I fell asleep. Okay. At hindi ko siya naintindihan, hindi ko naintindihan yung story. Second, we saw Lion King, which was super good. And then we saw In the Heights. In the Heights is fun because the whole musical, yung music niya salsa and rap. It's very modern. And what else did we do there? May hotdog sa kalye. Super bon yung hotdog sa kalye. At ano pa bang ginawa namin? We were supposed to go to Times Square during the ball drop, but didn't anymore because sobrang lamig. And you had to be there at 2 in the afternoon until matapos yung countdown. Hindi ko pa rin mag-wiwi, hindi ko pa rin kumain. So I was more to subject myself to that. So nag-wiwi kami sa harap ng TV. Okay. So that was how I spent my holidays. Much needed rest and much needed food. Okay. E-Zone. Is that how it's pronounced? The name E-Zone. Hi, Nikki, you're so pretty talaga. Thank you so much. Ikaw lang nakakapagpatawa sa akin ng to the highest level na kalakta ko. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga advice mo sa Mellow Mix. Parang naisip ko rin yun, paano rerespetuhin yung mga advice ko sa Mix? Kung hindi naman ako seryoso sa daily top 10. Okay. Kailan ka ba mag-release ng bagong album? Kasi I'm waiting. Sana may duet album kayo ni Dili. Thank you. And more power to you. E-Zone. I'm releasing my album very soon. E-Zone, it's like, it's gonna come out in 2 weeks? Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna expect. Hindi ko alam. But I'm done with it. And yes, meron kaming duet din niya, Mr. Billy Crawford. So, do you want to talk to that? We actually have a duet sa album niya, and it's airing now on Mix. You got a friend. Kasi friends not. Thank you, more power to E-Zone. Thank you very much, Wella and E-Zone. Of course, make sure that you guys stay tuned because I will be reading back to our messages later on. In the meantime, our next video I dedicate to Nico's mom because she is a fan of K-pop. This is for you, Super Junior, with source number 4 with Sorry.